Changing a wheel bearing, rear hub and bearing assembly actually, for a 2010 CRV. Not too bad to do. As you can see, it's an assembly, bearing, hub all together. That's the old one. Here's a new one. This one's a Timken. I'll go through the process, fairly simple. Alright, we gotta move the caliper, 212s, remove this bracket assembly, 217s. Take the rotor off, make sure you remove this nut. This one's a 36. And make sure this is free. Make sure it moves. If it doesn't move, then I use the air chisel pretty much right in the middle. Try to spray some WD-40 in there, let it soak up a little bit, and then just push it through. Alright, so I got the rotor off, I got the caliper off. This axle nut, so you can see now that's free. And in the back, there's gonna be 4 bolts right there. Just unbolt those, and the hub will come out. And then pretty much your reassembly is in reverse order, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.